This is a bag. Okay, we'll see it later. And this is a mixer grinder, Coolwell company from, and the bag is from Lenovo. And I have one this. Actually I have ordered. Okay, good one. I impressed. Everything okay. Let me first see the bag. Okay, okay, this is a nice unboxing video. I'm using my every body parts. Okay, so this is the, okay, this here is the Lenovo tag. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me see the bag. Okay, okay, see from every side. Okay, now let me open the chain. It have only one chain and one is front. It is a small chain. Okay, see on the inside, and here you can keep the laptop. Okay, that's all. And here is the another chain, that is a small one. Okay, that's all in the bag, nothing more. Something is there. Okay, the warranty card. Here is the warranty card. Okay, Lenovo limited warranty product, whatever. Okay, let me see the, now this is the Coolwell mixer grinder. It's nice packaging. Packaging is very good, I will say, from the Amazon. Okay, here is the warranty card. Thank you. Okay, we'll see it later. Now, okay, that is the, okay, here is the jar. Here is the, that is a blade. Okay, two blade and one jar. This is two jar. Okay, this is one jar, two jar, and one more, there is one jar. Okay, three jar, and this is also a small type of, oh, this is, I think while grinding we will lock this and then we will grind. There is another, this is also a jar, you can lock here like this. Okay, this is also a, this is for this jar. Okay, and one more. Okay, now keep this aside. We'll see the main thing, that is the grinder. Okay, this is the jar, and now the grinder. Okay, you open it. This is the grinder. Okay, oh, let me open it. Here is this one more jar that is given with this grinder. Okay, nice packaging. We'll see it working. Okay, later. Okay, nice packaging. Oh, I'm using only my one hand. It's very difficult. Okay, here. See, the quality is very good. build quality. Okay, here is the this is button, on off, push off, on. This is pulse, don't know why. Okay, we'll see it later. That's all. And here is the book, manual book. Only the book is cut off, cut. Okay, that's all, and nothing more. Here's the two. Okay.